So today, we will work on HTML and CSS. Open index.html. Let's create this button. So just after the s2 tag, add the button tag. Generate new code. For the code and the author, let's add a div. So add div with ID code. For code content, add p tag. For the author, add em tag. Let's copy this code and the name of the author. Take the preview. And our HTML is complete. Now let's work on the CSS. So open style.css. First, add a universal selector, which is the asterisk symbol. This means it targets all HTML elements on the page. Here, add margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing border box. Then, in the body, let's add the background and padding 7%. Take the preview and we can see some changes. Now let's put whole content in the middle and add some background. So copy this ID code generator. Here add margin 0 auto so that it would be at the center. Then add background has FFF, which is white. Border radius 10 pixel. Max width 500 pixel. And padding 20 pixel top, 40 pixel left and right, 40 pixel bottom. Let's style this title, which is the s2 tag. Here add font size 30 pixel. Margin bottom 40 pixel. Padding bottom 20 pixel. We also have a border, so add border bottom 1 pixel solid has 000. Check the preview. Title looks good, but I can see some spacing at the left and right. This is because I have added padding at the parent div. There are several ways to fix them, but I will use the before pseudo element. Here, add content without any value. Then add some background. Height 1 pixel. Left 0. Right 0. Bottom 0. And position absolute. Whenever we use position absolute, we need to use position relative in the parent. So add them in the s2 selector. Also now remove this border bottom. Check the preview. It is still same as before, but we can apply quick fixes. Add -40 pixel in both left and right. This is the same value we have added in the padding. Check the preview again, and this time it looks good. Now let's style this button. Here, add background. Margin bottom 40 pixel, border 0, border radius 10 pixel, color as FFF, padding 15 pixel, and font 22 pixel is the font size, 1.6 is the line height, and Roboto sans serif is the font family. Then let's add the cursor pointer. Let's also add the hover effect. Here add opacity 0.7. Then in the bottom add transition, opacity 0.3 second, linear. Take the preview. Let's also add width 100%. Now it looks good. Now let's style this content. The quote is aligned to the center and the author is aligned to the right. So in this quote div, let's add text align center. Also add font size 18 pixel. Then increase the font size of this quote content. So in the P selector, add font size 24 pixel. Also add margin bottom 20 pixel. Finally, for the author, which is EM selector, add text align right and display block. Check the preview, and now style-wise it is looking exactly the same. Great! This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll work on JavaScript. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.